everyone. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you some easy and creative tips for painting a realistic brick wall using watercolor. We will be working with just 3 colors: a custom gray, a mixture of Van Dyke brown, ultramarine, and yellow green. The second one is burnt sienna, and the third color is red brown. Make sure to use medium textured 100% cotton watercolor paper because it's perfect for capturing all the textures we are about to create. Start by painting the gray tones on the left side of your wall, leaving some white spaces on purpose. These white gaps will help create highlights and texture. Then move on to the burnt sienna and paint along the right side of the wall. This adds warmth and dimension. While the paint is still damp, gently dab with a piece of toilet paper. This leaves some color and creates an uneven surface that really mimics the look of old textured bricks. I'm going to paint a tangerine plant on the left side of the wall. No need to pay too much attention about that because I'm just going to bring it in quickly to complete the picture. Because our main focus here is the wall itself. Okay, now I'm going to paint the brick wall. I'm going to use some burnt sienna to draw the outline of the bricks. And when I come to the gray side of the wall, I will adjust the paint by adding in gray to the burnt sienna. Now that I have all the outlines painted, I want to make it look more realistic. Now just imagine the sunlight is coming in from the right side. I'll draw an L-shaped line using red-brown on the left side of the bricks. To make it more interesting, I've decided to add a few cracks and broken brick edges on some of the bricks to make the wall look a little aged and worn in. Now make sure you don't overdo it or else they will look really dirty. Okay, the final touch. This is titanium white acrylic paint. And you know what? I'm just gonna dig some paint from the tube itself. I want to give the bricks some embossed creeps and sunlit effect. Okay, I'll drop in the shadow of the pot plant to bring the whole picture together. And that's it. With just a few colors and some simple techniques, you can create a textured, realistic brick that really stands out. Thanks so much for watching. And if you try it out, let me know in the comments. I'll love to see your creations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss my next video, because I'll be showing you 2 different ways to paint a tomato in watercolor. And it's gonna be fun, so stay tuned.